As always, thank you so much for watching this video. I know the build was pretty similar to the anvil stand I did for my 70-pound NC Tools anvil, but one, I wanted to kind of showcase the new video editing style and the music stuff that I've been going after, and I wanted to show off this new 250-pound Fontanini, aka Rat Hole Forge anvil that I got. So if anybody out there is looking for a good American-made anvil, I highly suggest checking them out. Steve, the owner's a great guy, and it's been a total game changer for me. Also wanted to thank Lincoln Electric, Tandy Leather, and Fair Abrasives for sponsoring this video. And also a shout out to IsoTunes. They've been sponsoring me for a while. Bluetooth hearing protection. So they just launched this set called the Extra, which is an extended battery life. If anybody's interested in this, I have a coupon code ZHF at isotunes.com, which will get you $10 off any set that you would like. You probably also noticed me playing the music along with the video. My friend John Bailey and I recently started a royalty-free music service called Amplitunes. So you're free to download anything, free to use any of the music however you'd like, and any of your social media. We do have a Patreon. If you guys would like to support that music, please check out our website, amplitunes.com. Thank you.